Last year, we turned our DeYoung model homes into masterpieces, and the competition got real. And yes, I won.
I still believe it was rigged.
This year, it's personal.
Sibling Showdown is brought to you by Valley Security and Alarm. We'll focus on the security systems of your premises so you can have peace of mind.
I'm Ryan, home builder, oldest sibling, and proud owner of this golden hammer.
I'm Ashley, youngest sibling, the actual design expert, and 100% done hearing about Ryan's win.
I'm Brandon, middle sibling, master of creativity, and this season, your future champ.
Welcome to Season 2 of Sibling Showdown. By the way, don't just watch, be a part of the showdown.
Every time you vote at DeYoungProperties.com throughout the season, you are entered to win a $5,000 holiday cash prize for yourself, sponsored by United Security Bank, your hometown bank making holiday dreams come true.
Not only could you win $5,000 by voting online, you could also join the fun by touring our model homes in person, and when you purchase a move-in ready home, you'll have the chance to receive thousands in savings.
This season, there will be multiple opportunities to vote. So keep watching, keep voting, and maybe you will be the one taking home that $5,000 this holiday season.
This season, we're transforming 3 of our DeYoung Discover Series model homes located at Armstrong and Clinton and Fresno into holiday masterpieces. Think Christmas Tree Lane, but on the inside. And when you tour these model homes in person, it'll feel like stepping into a Christmas holiday magazine in real life.
And we're not doing it alone. Each of us will partner with one of these incredible local decor companies: RSVP Style, Designer Flower Center, and Preen.
Not only are they lending us their creative vision, they're also official sponsors of Sibling Showdown, generously donating all of the holiday decor you'll see this season, so you can experience these stunning designs inside a real home.
But here's what makes this interesting. We didn't pick our partners. The homes and local decor companies were randomly matched ahead of time, which means when we draw a home, we are also paired with a design team.
And there's even more on the line this year. Each of us are competing on behalf of a charity. I'll be supporting St. Jude Children's Research Hospital.
I'm representing Habitat for Humanity.
And I'll be decking the halls for Pavarello House. First up, drawing which home and decor team we'll each be working with. Oh,
Whoa.
okay. I guess I'll go first, so.
All right, do the honors.
No peeking.
I got the 220 and Designer Flower Center. The Discover 220 features a grand entrance. It's a 2-story home that really lives like a single story, and it has a great room big enough for the North Pole. Designer Flower Center and I are surely going to take this all the way and beat Ryan.
Okay, there's only 2 remaining options.
No peeking.
We'll grab that one. All right, let's see who it is. Residence 160 and RSVP Style. The popular Discover 160's generous kitchen island and wide open flow mean my holiday spread will be seen from every angle. RSVP Style and I are about to dominate.
All right, you're up. I guess you know what that means.
I sure do. That means I'm going to be taking this competition down again with the Residence 150, and I'll be working with Preen. The Discover 150 is an open single-story floor plan featuring an oversized kitchen island, and it's perfect for entertaining. With Preen's touch, this will feel like the heart of Christmas morning, and it's how I'm going to win this again.
And new this year, the holiday twist.
Each of us will draw a festive character or symbol, and we'll have to creatively include it in our home design.
We're talking gingerbread men, reindeer, elves, maybe even snow globes. Whatever you pull, you have to work it in, no excuses.
They're in the hat, so let's draw.
You gonna go first?
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Mix them up good.
Mistletoe. I'm actually really excited about this. One of my favorite Hallmark movies has a mistletoe in it, so that'll be fun.
Perfect. Good one, I think.
Oh.
Candy canes. All right.
You
Perfect.
do like a good candy cane.
Oh yeah. This will be great.
See, all right, how am I going to dominate this year? We're going to do it with snow globes. Oh, baby. You know, if there's one thing you know about me, snow globes tend to break in my home.
That's right.
So this will be interesting for me.
A heartfelt thank you to our Heart of the Showdown sponsor, EECU, Experience Smarter Banking. Their generous $5,000 contribution will be split among all 3 sibling charities, with the winning siblings charity receiving the largest share, and the other 2 still receiving meaningful donations.
And that donation is what makes this competition matter. The winning sibling will get to make the biggest impact for their charity. And the losers? They're in for a holiday punishment. We're talking costumes, sign spinning, maybe even singing holiday music for all to hear. You vote, they pay the price, all in the name of holiday fun.
And to top it all off, the winning sibling, which will be me, will be announced live on Saturday, December 6th by none other than Mayor Jerry Dyer at our grand finale event.
Now that is how you make it official.
All right, let's kick off our very first Showdown moment, presented by Landscape Connection, our Showdown moment sponsor who's bringing the fun to key moments all season long.
We want to hear from you. Who do you think will take the crown this season?
Will Ryan reign supreme again? Will my innovative spirit prevail? Or will Ashley design her way to victory?
Your favorite sibling needs you. Head to deyoungproperties.com to cast your vote and get your shot at winning $5,000. One click could decide who wins this Showdown moment and put cash in your pocket.
And if you're nearby, tour our beautiful model homes at Armstrong and Clinton this weekend. See the spaces we'll be transforming before the holiday magic begins.
This is only the beginning. The Holiday Showdown has so much more to come, from crazy decorating days to heartwarming surprises. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you don't miss a magical moment. And get those votes in on our website. Next time on Sibling Showdown, the holiday design chaos begins.